Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to study efficiently in high school. First, establish a consistent study schedule. This helps you manage your time effectively and avoid last-minute cramming. Next, break down large assignments into smaller, more manageable tasks. This makes them less daunting and easier to tackle. Finally, find a quiet, dedicated study space where you can focus without interruptions. A distraction-free environment is crucial for productive study sessions. To truly learn, engage in active recall. Instead of just rereading your notes, try to remember information without looking. Explaining concepts aloud, as if teaching someone, also helps solidify your understanding and reveals any gaps in your knowledge. Additionally, incorporate tools like flashcards or practice questions into your routine. These methods are highly effective for self-testing and reinforcing what you've learned, making your study time more productive. Maintaining organization is key to efficient studying. Keep your notes, textbooks, and other materials well organized so you can quickly find what you need. Equally important are regular breaks. Short, 5 to 10-minute breaks every hour or so can significantly improve your focus and prevent mental fatigue. Also, learn to prioritize your tasks. Tackle the most urgent and important assignments first to ensure you meet deadlines, and manage your workload effectively. Consistent review is vital for long-term retention. Make it a habit to revisit past material regularly, not just before tests, to reinforce your memory. Don't hesitate to seek help when you need it. Your teachers and peers are valuable resources for clarifying difficult concepts. And speaking of making things easier, if you're looking for ways to streamline your daily routine, check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers, along with other great deals. They can really help simplify your life.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.